Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana has reacted to the B wave support zone, so we want to take a look at this in detail, if Solana could already be in the breakout and what it would mean. So we take a look at that in a minute. Bigger picture first, unchanged. Okay, so I just want to mention that first because it is important to understand that we are moving in a larger range. And for many months, I've been telling you that we are likely in a wave 4. Wave 4s are, sideways corrections usually. They are usually very boring and choppy and can generate fake outs. And typically when we know that, and Elliott wave helps us to understand that in advance, then we can prepare mentally for such a structure. When we know we are entering a wave 4, typically range trading can be an option. And you can see that really until the price breaks below $119 or above 190, there isn't really much that changes on this chart. Actually nothing. You know, as long as the price is moving within these defined range boundary lines, 119 and 190, the structure doesn't change. So it's considered a sideways range, and anything that is happening in here from this perspective can be considered noise because it is without any clear direction. It's just a corrective up and down in a nicely defined range. We can consider the wave 4 a triangle, and I'm tracking currently this triangle pattern. A triangle, as per the Elliott wave rules and guidelines, consists of 5 waves. A wave, that was the low on the 14th of April, 13th. Then a B wave rally, top on the 21st of May, C wave down, turned around the way it needed to, and we could indeed be on our way in a D wave, and then we could get another higher low in wave E. We know, however, that triangles tend to morph and change and transform into different structures. So it is entirely possible that this sideways range, which is an ABCDE structure, turns into a larger wave 4, a standard ABC structure. We would have to see. At the moment, there's no indication it's doing that, but a break below $119 would confirm that, because this is the invalidation point of the Elliott wave triangle. Again, anything that happens within the boundary lines, noise. But if we break below $119, it is an invalidation of the triangle. A direct breakout to the upside would also be invalidation of the triangle, because to consider it a triangle count, I need another lower high and another higher low, and then we could move. Now let's take a look at the detailed wave count. Here the idea was that the C wave of the triangle completed. That was no surprise. We had a breakout to the upside, pullback into the support zone, into the lower support zone. But the move down looks a little bit like a 5-wave decline. So looking at the structure itself, it is possible that a B wave is still unfolding. So obviously, if we consider this a triangle, then we are now in circle wave D, which is an ABC structure, and the A wave could have completed. The B wave maybe, or it's still unfolding, and then we get a C wave up. So the question in the very short term is, do we get in, or does the market test this support zone again or not? We will have to see, okay? We will have to see. The idea is, however, the base case is we are in a triangle, and the base case is we have started wave D. Important is to understand the parameters for this scenario. For this scenario, the market needs to hold above $128.14, which is why I told you in the last video, as long as we're holding above $128.14, I can maintain the perspective that we are in a D wave, and we should see a move to the upside in wave C of D soon. But obviously we need the first 5-wave move up, followed by the 3-wave pullback, to confirm that the C wave to the upside has started. And that would be here. 1, 2, 3, maybe we get another 4, 5, and then we have wave 1 completed. If we then form a higher low, this is wave 2, and that would be a setup for a 3rd wave, 4 and 5. Alternatively, if we get rejected in the resistance area here, and the resistance area is defined between $145.56 and $147.96, and we come down from here, then this is our wave C. I would prefer that for a clearer ABC structure, but there's no need for that, okay? I'm very open to the idea that we form a 5-wave move up here. I just need to see it, then I can give you the next support region. So I need the next 5-wave move up. It's quite simple. I just need the next 5-wave move up to give you the next support region. And until then, the lower support range here remains relevant, and it is defined between $139.56 and $128.14. And then if we move up higher, let me just double check something. If we move up higher, oh yeah, this is generally considered a target range for the wave D between $163.18 and $176. We can, however, also, based on the microstructure we've developed so far, look for the 100% extension level. And this is based on the condition that the last low is now holding. Then a key target would be $169. You see it is in the target range. That's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.